Good morning. Hi guys, how are you doing? Well, welcome to another random video. Listen, I'm doing a little bit of cleaning out while my puppy is asleep. And so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make a kit. And then I thought, you know what, no, I'm gonna make two kits because I can. So I have enough stuff to make two kits. And this is kind of like a romantic kit, if you will. So here's the deal. A long time ago, I was collecting all creams and white type of laces. I even got a wedding dress that I cut up and got some pieces out of because I was going to make myself a white journal. That was my dream, to make a white journal, but that's not going to happen right now. And I don't want this stuff to sit around much longer and not be used. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to start sharing my stuff out. So anyway, so I've got two of these little kits. I'm calling them the romantic lace kits because it's mostly lace. There is going to be some paper. So yeah, so here we go. Let's just get started. They're basically the same with a few little differences, so keep your eye on them. I'm still going to just say quantity of two of the same thing, and I'll pick which one you get. So they're both lovely, honestly. So, but they both have this rose, and this is really pretty. And oh, so I made these a long time ago, and I backed them with sticky tape. I don't remember if I did a video on these or not. If I did, I'll link it below. But I did do a video of something that I did do with cream and white laces to make my sister like a door hanging. I will link that down below because that was a lot of fun. I hope I made a video on that. Sometimes I didn't always video. Anyway, so we just have a little bit of this beautiful little, they're plastic, of course, but they're iridescent and they're pretty to line things with, as trim. So I added some of that, a couple of wedding dresses pieces. I don't know how many of these are in there. More of that. This one has a doily. The other one does not have a doily, but that's okay. You can find those just about anywhere. But this is where it gets good because it's all unique. Okay, so just different little pieces. And it's all rare, kind of like lacy bits that you can use for trimming in your journals. So there's some more white lace and just some little bits and bobs here that I've cut out of clothing that I bought online. So yeah, iron these out. They've been in a little drawer. And then another piece of lace. And then there's one of those things that I made, and it's got the sticky back on this one. This one I added a little bit of lace too. You're going to get some of this lace as well. And then just a piece of lace. It's really pretty. Some more trim. And this is a blouse or a skirt or something that I made. And you can see what I've done here is I was cutting it around. This, you guys, is wonderful to put on the bottom of a journal to stick out on the bottom. That's what I was doing with this. So you can do that with this, and you can finish trimming it. So there's that. And then just another little bit and bob and some more lace. This is wonderful for trimming your pages. And another piece of some kind of I don't know what kind of lace this is, but it's got the fleur-de-lis on it. Isn't that pretty? So that's there. And then just some regular lace here. So it's either cream or white. And then some more cream colored. And some more. This is fun. This is another thing that's fun on the bottom of a page, hanging down on the bottom, you guys, or on the side. I love this. So there's that. And then some more white. Oh, and a pretty flower. Each of them is going to get one of these flowers. I'm going to keep my flowers out because I'm going to keep a couple for me. And then there's this pretty flower. Beautiful. And then this lace. There's that. And then this. Now this lace, you guys, it's gathered. Do you see that? But when you take this home, you can pull this and make it straight. That's what I've done with this. So you can pull that gather out. That's what I've done. And then there's this pretty lace right here. Isn't that pretty? And then this is interesting, like a crochet, old-fashioned crochet like collar. I just loved this. It's real intricate. I love that. And then some more lace here. I don't know what kind of lace this is, you guys, but I've been collecting this for a long time. So there's that. And it's just time to share it out now. And some more of this type. There's that. And then some more of that dress that you can make. You can cut these circles out any way you want, or you can cut them this way and just have the pattern going the long way as well. So, I love that. And then just some of this lace there. And then this is a piece of white felt. I don't know. That's what I used when I was working on my sister's gift. So then there, and then I'm just going to add some romantic scrap paper. to the package. So there's that. And there's this. And all the scrap paper is the same in both packages. And there's that. Isn't that stunning? And that's it. And so there you go. So there's one of them. I'm going to go ahead and show you both so you know. But they're both basically the same. So yeah, we're going to put this down. Yeah. Okay, so these are in my Etsy shop now if you're interested. Oh, I didn't show you the other thing that's in my Etsy shop. I will. Let me go ahead and show you this one real quick. Let me just flip through real quick. So there's this flower. You got to give these flowers a little bit of life once you get them. They've been kind of smooshed into my little package for a while, but aren't they pretty? They're just so pretty. So and then some of this and some more trim. Lots of trims, you guys. Oh, and this one has this kind of thing in it. This kind of thing. I don't know what it is, guys, but it would really be cool on a page. Oh, and you can dye these too. So just bear that in mind. You can dye these too. They don't have to stay white if you're not a white freak like me. I love, I decorate in white and I love white. So yeah, just some little bits and bobs here. And again, this one has one of these. Pretty. It's got the sticky back. Some more of this and some of this. And when I show you the next thing I have, it's going to be a change in gears, you guys. Definitely a change in gears. So yeah. So these are on my Etsy store today. Pick them up. I'm going to go to the mailbox today. So if you buy these today, they'll go out today. So just FYI by the way, and today is Monday. More of that. I'm going through kind of fast, but you already saw most of this stuff. And this one has a flower as well. Another white flower. I didn't make this one, obviously. These were fun to make. I don't even remember how I did it. Isn't that terrible? I don't even remember. I watched a video, I'm sure. Some of this, some of this. Yeah. So it's a nice little collection here if you're interested in creams and whites and and then again the papers are exactly the same. So there's that. So let me switch gears here and show you. So that's each. There's going to be 2 of these in my Etsy store. Let me switch gears and show you what else is in my Etsy store. If you've been following me a while, you're going to recognize this, you guys. And I'm torn whether to include it in my Etsy store or not, but after this video, it's going to have to be there. Do you guys remember this? How many of these books have I gone through? How many? It's the Journals of Dan Elton, The Journey is the Destination. My gosh, you guys. This book is, look at this. It's just amazing. It's his journal. His mom. It's the story about this kid who did a lot of traveling in Africa, and he journaled it the whole time. And after something happened to him, I'm not sure what, his mom got a hold of his journals, and she put this book together, and it's amazing. So you have seen this journal, this book, in a lot of my my work, in my art. Look at this. It's amazing. So this is in my Etsy store right now as well. And if I were you, I wouldn't sit on this one. I would jump at it, because this book is getting harder and harder to find. I was just amazed because I went to a book sale the other day, and I saw it and I went, oh my God, and I grabbed it. And I was like, oh, I'll use that again. And I'm thinking, I've gone through like 2 or maybe 3 of these, but I think it's time to share it out as a whole book. I mean, I get lucky. These kind of, I do find them sometimes and sometimes I don't. So, but I seem to find them because like this is my 3rd or 4th one. I don't know. Take that off there. That's not the price I'm going to charge you. Charge me a little bit more because so I can make a little bit of money. All right, so there you go. Well, thanks, guys, so much. Enjoy this, and I'll see you in my Etsy shop, and I also will see you soon. All right, bye, guys. Take care. Thank you for supporting my shop. I appreciate it. Bye now.